It's been a minute. You've been waiting. Something cool coming. Let's go.
So, the only thing, have you used these boxes before?
I'm going to listen to your dad, so you're going to come in here.
Have a burger. You sure? Yeah. There's like 4 burgers.
Are these?
Yeah, not good.
Wow. Oh.
This is the big room where we do drums and stuff like that.
Wait, this is like gas station when he did like the thing and he was in the room.
Yeah.